Right, today I'm going to show you guys how to do an oil change on a '06 Raptor 700. And I already started on it. I figured I'd make a video to show people how to do it that don't know how. So what you're going to do, I believe the 12 millimeter bolt right here in front of the skid plate, there's a hole right here. There's a bolt right there. I already have it out and the oil's draining as you can see. So you're going to want to pull that, let it drain for about 10 minutes, make sure it's all out, drain good. And at the same time, before you drain it, pull the oil dipstick tube. That one's just about done draining. I should have took this one out at the same time, but I'm going to do that now. Which I believe this one right here, there's a bolt from the crankcase right there. I'm going to open that one up and drain the oil. Right, that one's draining. We'll let that go for about 10 minutes or so. As you can see, this one's done draining, that one's just about done. So now I'm going to change the oil filter. What you want to do is, I'm going to lay a towel down here because it's going to leak all over and I don't want it to go onto the ground or all over everything else. Just an Allen wrench. Loosen them up. I already broke them loose before, so. Alright. Just like that. As you can tell, it does say oil filter on it. So pull this one out. It'll pop right off. Seeing the oil's gonna leak all over. That's why I put the towel there. Careful for this O-ring on there. Sometimes it can get stuck to it or fall down if you're not paying attention. It should just pop out. You can see. And I'm going to go ahead and clean that out with the rag and wipe that up, and I'll put a new one in. Alright, I got it all cleaned up. Here's my new oil filter right here. You got to put it in the same exact way. Get it centered. Okay, I got it in there, which is what you do. You don't just put the filter in there, you put it on the cap and go in there slowly, like this, and it's on there. Okay, the two long bolts go on the top, and that short one goes on the bottom. Alright, tighten them down, nice and snug, don't strip them. Alright, so we got the filter in, the oil is drained. Now we're going to put the plugs back in. Again, one up front by the skid plate and one right in the middle, like earlier in the video. Alright, I got them in. Again, one right here in this hole, right there. And then if you go back, one right here. Sorry about the lighting. This one right there. Now, time for add the oil in there. Right here I got a 10W40. You're gonna need 3 quarts. It takes, I believe, let me check on that. I forgot. Yeah, it takes 2.3 quarts. So then what you want to do is loosen this bolt right here for the crankcase. Just Allen wrench too. Right there. Right above the oil filter to the left. The crankcase is going to take just over just over a quart, which is 1.06 quarts. So you're gonna want to put 1.06 quarts in here. All right, I got 1 quart in. Now, I mean, you can just kind of estimate 0.6 quarts. I mean, a few drops. So that's about right. Put a little more in there. You don't want to put too much in there either. So. All right, now that's done. Take this out. Wipe up if you have any spills. Put this bolt back in. Careful because you don't want to strip this out. Just want to snug it up. Just snug. Now we're going to go to the other side, over here. Fill up the oil tank there, which the oil tank is going to... Alright, and this is going to take 1.37 quarts, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to add this. Right, so I got the plugs in and everything, well, besides this, which I'm going to put in right now. Alright, so then what you want to do is run it until it warms up, ride it around a little bit. Make sure nothing's leaking, and after you're done riding it for a little bit, bring it back in, see if the oil level's where it should be at, and if it is, then you're good to go. Thanks for watching.